What's up?
How's it going?
Did you miss us?
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a minute.
I feel like I've missed all my friends.
Yes. Sophia
Um,
from Nomad Effect.
Benny from Nomad Effect.
And we're back for now.
Yeah, back reporting from the backyard, which is a mess. There's the car. Where is it? There's the car. There's the air conditioning unit that looks like it's for the car, but really we're just storing it over there. And we have a crazy update for you guys. So we were giving you guys a lack of content, whether it be on the house, whether it be on the car, whatever it is. It's just because we haven't been able to be here for enough hours to do content and do all the work that we need to do.
That's right.
We've had all these really cool things delivered for the car, and it's been really frustrating for me because I want to show you guys everything. But we have a ridiculous plan. What's our ridiculous plan?
We're buying a trailer.
We're going to buy a old school trailer. We're about to jump in the car and drive 15 hours to Kentucky.
That's right.
Yeah. And once we get to Kentucky, we're going to pick up the trailer and we're going to drive 15 hours back. And we're going to put it right here. And we're going to sleep in it and hopefully get a lot more work done on the house and the car, bring you guys more videos and all sorts of things like that. A few details on the trailer. It's like a 1963. It's really old. We had a specific budget, which we blew, of course, because everybody wants trailers and four-wheel drives at the moment. So it was a little bit more expensive than we wanted to spend. And I'll pop up some photos that we've seen now, maybe over here or here, somewhere like that. But the couple seem really nice. It feels like really, really good kind of vibes on the whole purchase. They gave us a video walkthrough. They've kind of told us all the things that are wrong with it. It needs a toilet and a few other things. But other than that, it seems like it's in pretty good condition, and I think it could exactly be what we're looking for. So come on this crazy adventure with us. I have no idea what it's going to be like. This was a 2-minute intro, which is a lot, but cop it because you haven't copped an intro for a while. So yeah, we will update you from the road. It's probably right peak hour right now. We're about to leave at the worst time to get out of Florida. And it takes about 6 years to get out of Florida, it feels like. But we're on our way, and we'll keep you in the loop. And this should be really fun. I'm looking forward to editing this. I'm looking forward to getting it out. I'm looking forward to updating everybody, having the conversations that we always have. So this should be fun.
Here we go.
Goodbye.
Before we go, I just wanted to show you our brand new wing mirrors here. We bought these on 1A Auto, and you know, we're always on here talking about how things are never plug and play, like it's always more complicated than it is. Well, we found the exception. These are plug and play. We literally installed them in 5 minutes and they were super easy. And now we'll be able to see behind our huge trailer. Look at these mirrors. Wild. So yeah, shout out to these wing mirrors for being so easy to install.
Finally.
You ready? Here we go. It's 1 a.m. and we made it to, I think you pronounce it Macon, Georgia. And we decided to stop for the night to get some rest because we got a whole 8 hours tomorrow of driving to Kentucky. This is where we're staying. Do you want to say anything? How you feeling?
It's been a good drive. I'm happy. We're halfway there. It's like,
Halfway.
I think we've been like 7.5 hours now. About 7 hours to go.
Hey,
We're
we'll
in.
see you soon, Kentucky.
We're in Georgia Peaches.
Left. Oh, baby. Feels clean in here. You guys, look at this beautiful view.
We see the car.
Yes. This is actually the perfect spot. You won.
I know.
Because I could see it.
I was always going to win.
Okay, we have coffee in the room. That's great. Okay. Say goodnight to the people.
Good night, beautiful people.
See you tomorrow. Buenos dias. Good morning. How'd you sleep?
I slept.
Was not enough sleep, in my opinion. But here we are. We are getting some breakfast. And then we'll be back on the road. Hey, morning.
Morning.
I already said good morning to this thing.
I was a little bit too half asleep when Sophia turned the camera on before. Day 2, hitting the road. We're leaving. We're a little bit south of Georgia.
Of Atlanta.
We're a little bit south of Atlanta. We're in Georgia. I haven't seen any peaches yet because it's too cold for anyone to get their peaches out. So
It's insane.
we
are 6 hours and 40 minutes to our destination. We're supposed to get there at 4:30, but you know, we gotta stop for gas, we gotta eat some lunch, like there's all these things. However, we're trying to get there before sunset regardless.
hopefully we can.
Hopefully we can. We in Kentucky, y'all.
We just passed the sign and completely missed it.
Woo!
It's super pretty though. We're driving through some mountains.
It's so beautiful.
I don't know what the mountains are called, but they're great. Like after being in Florida for 2 years and not seeing anything but flat, it's really cool.
Yeah, it is. I think we're an hour and a half away from our destination, so we'll be showing you our new trailer very soon. New old trailer very soon. 8 minutes away. How you feeling?
Pumped. I can't believe we've driven 15 hours to pick up an old Airstream.
Oh my god, it's amazing. It's like much more spacious than I expected.
Yeah,
Here.
like from the outside it's actually smaller than I imagined.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm so excited. We did the right thing. You guys. Look at that. First of all, shout out to these beautiful ladies that own this trailer before us. They are the nicest people we've ever met, and we are so happy we went with this trailer of all the trailers because they were just like the best of the best, and we must take care of this trailer at all costs. Ben, how are you feeling right now?
I'm good. I'm just like learning how to drive with this huge thing behind me.
We're going to the Kentucky Horse Campground right now, and we're gonna drop it off, and then we gotta eat and run some errands, like buying a chain for the trailer. We need to buy a clip for our tow hitch. Like, there's a lot of things we need to buy. So here we go, adventure part 2, and we're so happy. Like, this is the best.
We're in Kentucky. We're trying to find somewhere to sleep tonight with the new ridiculous thing that we just bought. It looks so cool. It needs some work. Soph's a little nervous about it, but I'm quietly confident. So we just did this Kentucky horse park, and they said that I can grab an envelope and make a deposit. It is $30 a night to stay here with power on the RV. would like to officially introduce you guys to Amelie. We're in a really cute little campground, RV park, something like that. It's attached to like the Kentucky Horse Park. And we slept in Amelie for the first time last night. And other than being colder than what we expected, because we didn't really prepare for the cold at all, it was great. It rained, it came down torrentially, and we didn't get any leaks. Sophia's inside. I'm pretty sure you can't even see her, but whatever. This is Amelie, and this is our first time seeing her in the daylight. She has all these like really cool LED lights. I gotta get underneath and just make sure that the belly pan's all sealed up because we don't want that catching on something while we're driving. I just need to make sure the tire pressures are good because we were having a little bit of trailer bounce last night when we were driving with it. But she's cute. She's a lot more spacious than we expected and actually smaller than we expected when it comes to towing. It's kind of like a TARDIS. Yeah, that's my update. This place is awesome. We recommend this place. If you're going through Kentucky, this campground's great. They have hookups. There was coffee at the little store this morning. Great place. We're happy. It's like got a 15-hour drive to get home, but at the moment we're pretty happy.
Oh, beautiful tree. Can you see it?
I don't know whether they can see it.
It's beautiful. Anyway, night one. It is really cold, but we really love it. Right?
Yeah, we just weren't prepared for the cold.
We weren't prepared for this weather.
We were comfortable other than the cold.
Yeah, we slept on some air mattresses that we put on the twin beds that are there. And I guess first things first when we get back is we're gonna create a queen bed in the back of the trailer so we can cuddle up. But other than that, 10 out of 10.
Morning, guys. We haven't given you many updates because it's been pretty smooth sailing so far. Touch aluminium. But we're in Koa Campground in Tifton, Georgia. And we're going to make another stop in Florida before we make it home. It's been really chill. We've been cruising. The car's held up pretty good. And the trailer's held up pretty good. And we've slept in here and it's been okay. We've been mixing it up, like we've got some air mattresses on the single beds here because we obviously haven't built a queen bed yet. And I slept last night on the couch. And it was really comfortable.
Not because he's in trouble.
Not because I'm in trouble. I was in the doghouse. I was like, just these little twin set things here. I'm taller than the space in there, so I just needed to stretch out last night. But yeah, I wanted to give you guys an update just because we hadn't done it for a couple of days. We stayed one night in couldn't even tell you, but we've been staying in.
Where was it? Tennessee.
We stayed in Tennessee, and we had a
Clinton.
I don't know, we say Clinton, Tennessee, something like that, and there was an amazing Mexican restaurant. I'll try and update you before the end of the video as to where we stopped because it's definitely worth stopping. I haven't had that. Who would have thought? Tennessee bringing home the Mexican food. It was really, really yummy and great, and like cheap margaritas.
Cheap margarita.
But yeah, we're gonna finish packing up and get out of here today, and probably stop in DeLand, Florida.
That's where my brother's at.
So his brother's there, so we're gonna catch up with him. Honestly, I feel like these videos are a lot more entertaining when we have issues, but I'm really glad that we haven't had any. So.
Good morning. Final day waking up in the Airstream before we go back to Miami and try to set it up to live in. It's a beautiful morning in Florida. We're in DeLand. We are going to a pancake breakfast with my little brother and his friend. Hopefully we make it to Miami in one piece. We're in the final stretch and I can't wait to start living in this thing. It's gonna be fun. What happened?
My pee.
This is your pee?
I'm laying my pee to pick this out.
Oh no. This is Ben's pee from last night. You didn't think that went through?
No, I really didn't think that through.
The struggles.
If I could just get under it, it'd be so much easier.
Red pitcher is your early American white. It has lumps in the batter. The lumps helps the pancakes to rise. Blue pitcher is 5 grade, whole wheat, buckwheat, rice, rye, corn, multigrain.
Cool.
Use your spray or your butter for each batch of pancakes so the pancakes won't stick. Add your toppings on top of the pancakes while it's cooking. Once the pancake starts to rise, bubble, get dry around the edges, give them a flip. Right, for the eggs, same thing, spray or butter first, spread it on the griddle, and you can cook your eggs however you like. The bowls are there for scrambling. The big bowl there is for the eggshells.
Cool.
All right, syrups. Tan top is maple flavor, yellow is raw honey, red is molasses. Try that on a spoon before you pour it on a plate to see if you like it.
Yeah.
All right, all your bacon is cooking in the back, should be a couple minutes.
Cool.
All right, any other questions?
No, that
I
was
think we're
great.
ready.
All right, enjoy guys. Thank you.
I'm gonna pass over when I put my egg, the yolk. The edges, of course, because it can like see.
Bueno. Show us what you got. It's really nice. We made it. This is our home. This is our trailer. And we're back from Kentucky. Ben is setting up cameras so we can make sure we have an eye on this until we can move. We have a few things to clean up and move around in the backyard before we can back this thing in.
We've lovingly called her Amelie. We really enjoyed it. We thought we were going to buy this for just sleeping in while we finish the car in the house, but we might use this.
Maybe.
Maybe. We'll see how we go.
If we can get it out of the house. Like,
Yeah.
from the backyard outside.
So the next adventure would be getting into the back of the house, which we'll try. We might try and show you that in daylight because it's going to be an adventure.
Yeah.
If you remember trying to get the Land Cruiser through that section, it's going to. This is 11 foot tall.
It's way taller. Anyway, this is us signing off. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon, we hope. Stick with us. Bye.